In this video, I'll show you how to interface an LED with 8051 microcontroller. Let's start the video. Welcome to Star Technology 5G. How to interface an LED with 8051 microcontroller. LED. A light-emitting diode is an electronic component that is available in different shapes, sizes, and current ratings. These are widely used in electronic circuits. LED emits light when the electric current flows through it. LED can be connected to a microcontroller output port in two different modes: current sinking and current sourcing. Current sinking mode. In the current sinking mode, the cathode leg is connected to the microcontroller output port, and the anode leg of the LED is connected to the positive 5 voltage power supply through a current limiting resistor. The LED is turned on when the output of the microcontroller is at logic 0, current sourcing mode. In current sourcing mode, the anode leg of the LED is connected to the microcontroller output port, and the cathode leg is connected to the ground through a current limiting resistor. In this mode, the LED is turned on when the microcontroller output port is at logic 1. Current sinking mode. How to find the value of a resistor. If the voltage drop across a LED is 2 volts, and the LED current is 10 milliamperes, source voltage is 5 volts, and assuming the microcontroller output voltage is about 0.4 volts when the output is low, so we can calculate the value of the required resistor. R equal to source voltage Vs minus LED voltage V LED minus microcontroller output voltage VL divided by LED ampere I LED. R equal to 5 volts minus 2 volts minus 0.4 volts divided by 10 milliampere. R equals 260 ohm. The value of the resistor in current sinking mode is 260 ohms. Current sourcing mode. How to find the value of a resistor. If the voltage drop across a LED is 2 volts, and the LED current is 10 milliamperes, the output voltage of the microcontroller is about 4.85 volts when the output is high. So, we can calculate the value of the required resistor. R equal to microcontroller output voltage VO minus LED voltage V LED divided by LED ampere I LED. R equal to 4.85 volts minus 2 volts divided by 10 milliampere. R equals 285 ohm. The value of the resistor in current sourcing mode is 285 ohms. Generally, a microcontroller port pin can sink current better than it can source current. So, I will use the current sinking mode of the LED. First of all, I will draw its circuit in Proteus. Circuit is ready. Now I will write it code in Keil Microvision. Double click on Keil. Creates a new project. Desktop. Select 01 LED. Create folder. 01 LED program. Open. Write project name. 01 LED. Click on Save. Select device for target. In search box, write 89C51. Select the microchip 8051. Click on OK. Copy startup of 51 to project folder and add file to project. Yes. Project 01 LED. Target 1. Source group 1. Startup A51. Double click on startup file. Close this file. Right click on a source group. A list will open. Click on add new item to group. Now click on ASM file. Enter the file name. Main. And click on add. It will add file in the source group. In this file we will write programming code. I already wrote the code. I will paste the code here. Now I will explain the code. LED 1 bit P0.4. LED 1 at port 0 pin 4. It means we assigned LED 1 at port 0 pin number 4. ORG 0. Program start. Set start address to 0. Start column. This is called a label. A label is a character that identifies the current value of the active location counter and serves as an instruction operand within the programming. CLR LED 1. Turn on LED 1. Clear means set LED 1 to logic 0. It will turn on the LED. ACAL delay 3. Call time delay. This line called the delay subroutine. Here is delay 3 subroutine. MOV R5, number 100. Move 100 value into R5 register. Move R6, number 255. Move 255 value into R6 register. Move R7, number 255. Move 255 value into R7 register. DJNZ R7, D3L1. DJNZ stands for decrement and jump if not 0. Decrement R7 register if not 0 jump to D3L1. This instruction decrement the R7 is its value not equal to 0 it will jump to D3L1. Now the value of R7 is 255. After decrement, its value should be 254. Now this value is not 0. Jump if not 0. Where to jump label D3L1. Here is D3L1. Now it will again execute this instruction. Decrement and jump if not 0. Now the value of R7 is 254. After decrement, its value should be 253. Now again this value is not 0. So, it will jump to D3L1. Now it will again execute this line. This time the value of R7 is 253. So, it will repeat this instruction 255 times. When the R7 value reaches 0, it will move to the next instruction. The next instruction is DJNZ R6, D3L2. Decrement R6 register if not 0 jump to D3L2. Now this time it will decrement the R6 register. Now the value of the R6 is 255. After decrement the value of the R6 is 254. This value is not 0. It will jump to label D3L2. Move R7, number 255. Move 255 value into R7 register. Now the value of the R7 register is 255. And it will again execute this instruction 255 times. When the value of R7 reaches 0, it will move to the next line. Again it will decrement R6. This time the value of R6 is 253. Again, the cycle will repeat. When the value of the R6 reaches 0, it will move to the next line. DJNZ R5, D3L3. Decrement R5, if not 0, jump to D3L3. Now the value of R5 is 100. After decrement the value of R5 is 99. And it will jump to D3L3. And the cycle will repeat again. After repeating the cycle again and again, this loop creates a time delay. And the LED remains turned on during this time delay. When R5 value reaches 0, it will return from this loop. Set B LED 1. Turn off LED 1. Set B means set LED 1 to logic 1. It will turn off the LED. Cal delay 3. Call time delay. Now again it will call the time delay. And the LED keeps turning off for some time. SJMP start. Small jump to label start. And again, it will repeat this loop. Click on translate. No error, one warning. There is no end statement in this code. Right click on target 1. And click on option for target 1. Change crystal frequency. 12 MHz. Check this box. Create hex file. OK. Now I will build the target. No error, 3 warning. Hex file is created. Now I will download this hex file into the microcontroller. Click on the microcontroller. Click here. Desktop. 01 LED. 01 LED program. Objects. 01 LED hex. Open. OK. Start. Now you can see LED is blinking, but its speed is very slow. If you want to increase its speed, then decrease the delay time. Now we will change this value. 50. Build file. Download this file into the microcontroller. Start. Now you can see delay time is less and LED is blinking. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology. Please like and share the video.